Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your science teacher, and today we are going to start our second lesson that is about more skeleton. In today's lesson, we are going to study about skeleton of different types of animals. In our first lesson, we studied the skeleton of human being, and in this lesson, we will study the skeleton of different types of animals. It's not just humans that have a skeleton, but animals also have skeleton. They have skeleton of bones or a material called cartilage. Okay, what cartilage is? You have some cartilage in your own skeleton. You can feel that cartilage is like if you gently squeeze one of your ears or wobble the tip of your nose. Actually, cartilage is the part of a meat that we call gristle. In simple words, you can say that cartilage is a very soft bone. You can feel that bone in your nose. If you touch your nose, tip of your nose, you feel that there is very soft bone that may bend. Or if you touch your ear, you feel that there is soft bones. Actually, these bones are known as cartilage. Okay, what are the benefits of a skeleton, or what are the function of the skeleton system? The main function of the skeletal system is that it gives the proper form or shape to the body, it protects the body, it gives support to the body, and it gives strength to the body. Without skeleton, animals would be floppy object with no particular shape. A skeleton gives an animal its own particular shape, and because of this, it allows an animal to swim, run, pick things, chew its food, and carry out other actions. Okay, what is a vertebrate? Actually, vertebrates are those animals which have backbone. Okay, they have skull, a backbone, and an endoskeleton of cartilage or bone. Endoskeleton means skeleton present inside the body. Look at this skeleton. It is the skeleton of a cat. You can see that there is a skull with backbone. That backbone is actually made up of small bones, number of small bones. You can see that there are number of small bones, and these small bones are connected to each other, and these small bones are known as vertebra. Now I have a video for you, and in this video we are going to uh, see different types of animals with their skeleton.
Skeletons. Written by,
Okay, I'm going to forward it so that we can discuss its
the bones
important
in your body make up your skeleton.
part. Okay, the bones in your body make up your skeleton. You have 206 of them. Bones give your body shape and support. They keep the soft parts inside you safe. All these we have discussed in our last lesson. And now, bones come in many shapes and sizes. Your arm and legs are long bones. Your pelvis and shoulder are example of flat bone, and the bones in your wrist and hands, ankle and feet are small bones. All these things we discussed in our last lesson. This is what your skeleton looks like. Look at the many kind of bones in your body. Now this is your skeleton, and we are going to see some other skeleton. Other animals have skeleton too. Each animal's skeleton is different. Some are short, some are tall, some are light, and some are strong. Okay, look at this skeleton. How it is different from your skeleton. It is different from our skeleton that it has not legs like our skeleton, and its arms are extended in the form of like feathers. And do you know what it is? Clue is that this animal fly. Just think. Okay, I think you can recognize, yes, it's an eagle. All bones are, the bones of eagles are hollow and light. Wing feathers attached to the wing bones. Okay, the bones of eagle is hollow and light. Why they are hollow and light? Because hollow bones help it to fly. Then look at this skeleton. How it is different from our skeleton. It is different from our skeleton that its uh, legs are of very different shapes. Its back legs are longer than front legs, and its shape of the skull is also different from our skull. So let's look. What is this? Yes, it's a frog. It has long back legs for hopping. Its back legs are longer than its body so that it can jump. Because of its back leg, it can jump easily. Then look at this skeleton. It is different from our skeleton that it has no arm and no legs, and its skull bone is very longer. The clue for this animal is that this animal swims. Yes, it's a blue whale. It has no leg bones. Its arms are flippers. Whales are supported by the water. If a whale lived on land, its skeleton would have to be much stronger. Okay, it means that bones of fish are lighter than the animals which are living on the land. Okay, let's see another skeleton. Look at this skeleton. How it is different from your skeleton. It is different from our skeleton in this way that it has four legs, and its neck bone is are longer, and its ribs are also longer than, or it this animal has more ribs than ours. So do you know what it is? The clue for this animal is that this animal runs well. This animal runs very fast. Okay, we often ride on this. Let's have a look. Yes, it's a horse. It has long legs for running. The horse has a long rib cage to keep its large lungs safe. It needs large lungs to take in lots of air when it runs. So its lungs are larger than our lungs. Now look at this skeleton. It is different from our skeleton that it has no legs, and its body is very long, and it has some special type of skull bone. What is this? Let's have a look. I think you all guess. Yes, it's a snake. It has no arms or legs. Its skeleton is one long backbone with ribs. G. Now you can see that there are different types of skulls or head bones. These are the skulls of animals in this book. Look at how their shapes and parts are different. You can see the different types of animals have are different types of head bone, and that are more suitable for them because they are living in some special type of environment in which uh, these skulls help them to live. They have bones according to their environment. Then is each animal's skeleton is perfect for the way it lives. It means that the in which type of environment animal is living, its skeleton is perfect for the way it lives. Its skeleton supports it. It has the right kind of teeth for the food it eats, in which type of habitat it is living. Uh, that teeth support it to eat its food. It has the right kind of skeleton for the sport it needs, and it has the right kind of skeleton for the way it moves. And so you, uh, so do you. Same is the case with ourselves. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is very interesting today. What you have to do, you have to make a large collection of pictures of vertebrate animals. Okay, you just search for some picture of vertebrate animals and paste them on a computer sheet. This is your homework, and I hope you all enjoy your homework. And it's all from my side. Inshallah, we will continue the same lesson, that is more skeleton, in our next class. And from now, Allah Hafiz from my side. May God bless you all.